In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Melio Payments to send money to a supplier in China. This process can initially seem a bit daunting, but with a little guidance, it's straightforward and efficient. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open up your web browser and navigate to Melio's website. Once there, log into your account or create one if you're new to the platform. You'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is your hub for managing payments. First, you want to locate the Pay button. This is your gateway to initiating transactions. Now click on the Vendors tab. This section is where you manage the entities or businesses you pay through Melio. If you've never set up a vendor here before, don't worry, it's a fairly simple process. Look for the Import Vendors option. Clicking this allows you to bring in vendor data en masse, which is particularly useful if you have a list prepared in a spreadsheet. At this step, you'll need to select the appropriate vendor spreadsheet from your computer. Once you've selected it, proceed by clicking the Upload button. This function will automatically input your vendor information into Melio